Welcome to the 11th installment of Quest. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. This set features elements such as Instafilm-inspired edges, streaks and tones, and two profiles that emulate the characteristics of this medium. Relive the nostalgia and embrace the perfect imperfection of Instafilm. AQ11-1 gives you a deep golden copper color palette with light teal greens and subdued blues. AQ11-2 provides a soft sun-drenched warmth with tones reminiscent of 70s Instafilm. AQ11-3 gives you a cool teal overtone with coral reds, a true iconic Instafilm palette. AQ11-4 provides a matte yet modern take on Instafilm with a more true-to-life appearance. AQ11 Vintage Film Bonus 1 emulates streaks and light leaks, true characteristics of vintage Instafilm. AQ11 Vintage Film Bonus 2 gives you a classic vintage matte appearance with unique streaks and tones. Use the instant film profile and watch your images transform with classic matte highlights and crushed shadows. And don't forget the light leak profile to add this unique effect to any image. Lastly included are the film effect borders. This gives you 3 unique film borders that add the classic look of instant film.